All right, well, today is the best day of the year. It's National Ice Cream Day. Who named this? And it's an actual thing, apparently. Former US President Ronald Reagan officially declared the third Sunday in July as Ice Cream Day. That was back in 1984. And since then, it's gone absolutely global. For more, we're joined now by TV favourite and cookbook author Jacob Leung. Welcome.
Hello, mate.
So nice
How are you?
Back. How are you?
It's good to have Sarah Di Lorenzo out of the studio and some proper food.
Listen, I tried to get something healthy. So today I'm doing ice cream, but as you know, it's winter. So ice cream and winter sometimes doesn't go together. But I thought, how about we do desserts that are winter-based, so sticky date, in ice cream.
Oh, yum.
So winter meets ice cream.
Okay.
So the first one that I wanted to talk about and show you through is the sticky date ice cream. So what I've done is I've got about 200 grams of dates. I've put it in with 200 mils of milk and just softened them for 5 minutes on the stove. And then the great thing about this is you don't need an ice cream machine. It's no churn. So
Really?
It's super easy. So I've got 600 mils of cream and then condensed milk. Gotta love condensed milk. So adding a full can of condensed milk in there.
You know how usually we wait to the end to try?
No, yeah,
Do you
you
think
go
we
for it.
can
We'll just go.
get
Yeah,
into
this is
it?
the sticky date. That's
that's the
another
sticky
one.
date.
Sorry.
Okay.
And then here is the mash that I made from the dates, which doesn't sound very nice. Nor does it look very nice. Trust me. Tell me, is it
taste
nice?
good.
Oh, beautiful.
That's beautiful. Great.
Oh my God.
So I'm going to add.
Did you put that in your blender or what do you do?
I actually, because they're so soft, you can just mash them with a spoon. And
What,
then
so after you boil
once
them?
it's cooled, I then just mash it, and then that's it. And then I've got all of these ingredients, the whipped cream, and then I'm just going to fold it in like this. And then how good is that?
Sorry, did you say you whip the cream?
Yeah, whips the cream, add the condensed milk, and then just that sticky date mix there.
that it?
That's it.
How long in the freezer?
So I like to say 8 hours overnight is better, okay? Because then, as you can see here, with the no churn, some people think it gets too icy, but as you can see, it scoops really well.
Is there a trick to not making it icy?
Nice.
I guess the whipping is really important of the cream. The thing that makes ice cream icy is just more water and not enough fat. So the higher the cream content, the better.
Okay, you got another one here?
Yes, we do. So this one here is a gingerbread ice cream.
With a little tiny teddy gingerbread man.
Tiny, gingerbread man, and I think it's gingerbread people now.
Same concept.
Exactly. And so what we did was we literally just did the same concept, added a few spices to make it really kind of wintry and festive. Also great for Christmas as well, obviously. So
I knew that it was that
amazing.
easy.
it is so easy. And then obviously, like I said, you don't actually even need to have an ice cream machine. You can do this all in your freezer with no churn ice cream.
So
Yum,
good.
and
And
just
it's all in your
fold it.
book?
It's all of the recipes are going to be online, but I've got some other recipes for ice cream in the book as well.
Beautiful,
Yum.
Jacob. I love it.
And
Thank you.
Just pick up a copy of Jacob's cookbook. There it is there. How good does it look? Jacob Food. It is out now.
Thank you, mate.
Yum.
Stunning.